Historically, Apple's new iPhones are compared to Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S models rather than existing ones. This time, the real competition will be between the iPhone 16 Pro Max and the Galaxy S25 Ultra, not the S24 Ultra. Based on current information, there are 9 key areas where the S25 Ultra seems to have an edge over Apple's flagship. First, let's examine the camera bump. The trend of oversized camera bumps is becoming increasingly common, with devices like Google's Pixel 9 Pro XL showcasing a significant protrusion. The iPhone 16 Pro Max has a noticeable bump, but it pales in comparison to what Samsung is planning with the S25 Ultra. Reports suggest that the S25 Ultra will feature a remarkably slim camera bump of just 2.4 millimeters, nearly 45% thinner than the iPhone's 4.3 millimeters. Additionally, the S25 Ultra will be thinner overall at 8.2 millimeters, reducing thickness by 4 millimeters compared to the S24 Ultra. In fact, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is 0.1 millimeters thicker than the S25 Ultra, highlighting Samsung's engineering advantage in creating a sleeker device. Weight is another significant factor. The S25 Ultra is 8 grams lighter than the iPhone 16 Pro Max. While this may seem minor, it's a notable improvement considering both models have similar battery capacities. Samsung has managed to decrease the weight of its devices year over year, enhancing portability and comfort. Next, let's discuss bezels. Samsung aims to achieve the thinnest bezels ever on a smartphone. The iPhone 16 Pro Max already boasts sleek bezels, but the S25 Ultra takes it a step further. While the differences may be subtle, the reduction in bezel size from the S24 Ultra to the S25 Ultra is apparent and contributes to a more modern aesthetic. In terms of raw power, Apple has long touted the superiority of its A-series chips, often claiming they outperform competitors. The iPhone 16 Pro Max boasts impressive benchmark scores, but the S25 Ultra is set to challenge that narrative. Recent leaks of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4's benchmark scores indicate extraordinary performance, exceeding 10,000 points in multi-core tests, comparable to laptop performance and an 18% increase over Apple's latest chip. This suggests that Samsung and Qualcomm have not only caught up to Apple but have potentially surpassed them. Durability is another area where the S25 Ultra excels. It will use Gorilla Glass armor, a feature missing on the iPhone 16 Pro Max. This glass reduces reflections, enhances color vibrancy, and offers excellent outdoor visibility and scratch resistance, giving Samsung's flagship a clear advantage in terms of longevity. Photo searching is another intriguing feature. While I praised the iPhone 16's ability to search for specific photos by keywords, Samsung has offered this capability for years, allowing users to find images efficiently. This established functionality provides practical utility that enhances user experience. Artificial intelligence is an area where the S25 Ultra is likely to shine. Apple has been slow to adopt AI technology, and the AI features in the iPhone 16 Pro Max won't be fully ready at launch, requiring a beta update soon after. In contrast, Samsung's partnership with Google positions them to leverage advanced AI capabilities, giving them a significant edge. In summary, while both devices have their strengths, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is poised to outperform the iPhone 16 Pro Max in several crucial areas.